CGI Profio360, the dynamic ERP solution for manufacturing and construction industries, has been serving over hundreds of clients for decades. This innovative solution is built to carry heavy loads regardless the size of the project. It helps companies fully visualize their projects to work more efficiently. CGI Profio360 makes sure your projects flow with ease. Whether your business is construction or manufacturing, our solution provides a robust ecosystem for collaboration. It provides you with valuable information throughout the process, all the way from purchasing to production and sales. Now, more than ever, we are ready to help clients around the world to build more agile and resilient supply chains. With our extensive global footprint, we are happy to help you locally. We can complement your existing technology or build your complete platform. CGI Profio360, a world of possibilities for your business with no limitations.